What's up, nosy fam?
What's up? Welcome to my Uber.
Look at her cute with the little cheesy dog.
We just came from Trader Joe's. We spent like $80 there. Yikes. It's
That's
okay.
nice.
We're gonna eat all the food, but we got hungry, so we went to Sonic. Only got it because it was cheap.
Here's the tot. The tots were cheap too, so. We got us some mint. Some,
That's really salty.
salty.
I'm not used to stuff being so salty now. Jeez, this is salty as f.
Oh boy, that's cheesy. Can't even take the bread out. Rate this 1 to 10 compared to the guys.
They're both. I won't eat if I'm really hungry.
On a really serious budget, what would you choose?
McDonald's is cheaper. They have a lot more for your money.
Yeah, a lot more deals.
We're going to the mountains again because he's leaving me on Sunday. But we'll update you guys about our life update later.
We'll show you the cabins.
We'll tell you guys what's going on. Big things happening.
We'll eat some more in front of you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello. This is Hugh putting the firewood because it's starting to rain. We're kind of going on the trip because we need some more time alone. Because every time we're home, we're really busy. There's always like no downtime. So now, we really don't know what we're gonna do.
We're gonna wing it
Yeah, we're gonna wing it.
together.
But yeah, I'm sitting in the back seat because I'm gonna edit the video, and there's not a lot of room in the front. Here's me. Where we're staying at tonight and for the next 2 nights actually. Ooh, pots and pans. You guys have a full bathroom. That's the washer dryer. Cute plant, cute mirror. It comes with like those little hotel bars and toothbrushes and toothpaste. Basic bathroom. Nice and clean. Over here is the kitchen area. They have a nice big fridge, freezer, stove we can cook. So this is like glamping. A microwave. Basic essentials. They have coffee, which I love coffee. This is an essential because Hugh and I love coffee. And look, that's so cute. Big crave coffee. Nice cute Keurig. And then they have this cute table with this big mirror. You can look outside, which is beautiful. There's a hammock out there. Fire pit with chairs. Hugh's over here chilling on the couch. Yeah, it's really nice. Fireplace, TV. Oh, and over there, look, is a bed. But that's not like the main bed. This is the main bed. Ooh, it's the main bed with a TV right there too. And then some paintings. This is a really clean cabin. I really like it. There's a mirror. Oh my god, that is cool! Oh, in the main room, or the main bedroom, there's this thing right here where you can slide it. And you just slide it. And then there's a mirror right here. We're gonna do an outfit of the day. This is from TJ Maxx. This is from TJ Maxx. This is from, my sandals are from, oh no, these are from Ross. No, these are from TJ Maxx too. You know what? My whole fit is from TJ Maxx. Glasses are from Walmart. Hugh, what's your outfit?
I think Walmart pants, maybe a cotton on, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hair jelly online.
Okay. Ooh, J. Crew out. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, shoes?
Ooh, Nike?
Nike.
Ooh, ooh. Play AJ Raphael.
AJ Raphael on Amazon Music.
Yeah, Alexa, this is our song, Alexa. I love all the windows. So cute. You're so cute. What would you rate this Airbnb?
I rated it a 10 out of 10.
Me too.
Neatness, creativity.
It's so clean. It's beautiful. I love it.
Look.
What?
It's a cat.
Where? Oh my god! Do you see that cat over there? Oh my god, babe.
You
Oh.
think I should go and pet it?
Yeah.
It looks so friendly.
See if he'll come to us. Oh, he's ran away. So, we went to Trader Joe's. We're gonna show you what we got. We got some eggs. We ended up spending like $70-something, which is kind of a lot. Oops, but we got this Kung Pao chicken chow mein. I was craving mashed potatoes really bad, so I picked up some mashed potatoes. I just got the Trader Joe's one, obviously. And then I got some cheese because I wanted to put some cheese on top of the mashed potatoes. We got chimichurri rice right here. And we also just got chicken fried rice. We love these dumplings. These are like the chicken gyoza dumplings from Trader Joe's. These are so freaking good. We love them. We got 2 bags. We got some hash browns because Hugh was craving hash browns. So we're gonna eat hash browns tomorrow morning. And we got orange juice because I'm craving orange juice. Hugh wanted yogurt for like a snack. So then we just got this organic low-fat yogurt squeezers. They're for kids, but we're gonna eat them. And we got the smoothies from Trader Joe's. I got the Very Green 100% juice smoothie, and then I also got the mango, but I drank this one in the car. Hugh got the almond and almond butter one with banana, I think.
Yeah.
It was like healthy.
Tastes like health.
Yeah, but this one's really good, the mango one. I didn't try this one yet, I'll try it tomorrow. BTW, it's currently raining, but it's nice. It sounds peaceful, and yeah. Then we got hazelnut creamer because I love coffee. I cannot live without coffee. I'm obsessed with coffee, so I need creamer. I love hazelnut creamer. And then we also got this gyoza dumpling sauce. Yeah, we've gotten this like 4 times already. It tastes really good with the dumplings. Highly recommend. Then I was craving a banana nut muffin, but they had the ones with the chocolate chip. I grabbed those because it smells good. Then we're gonna make s'mores. I don't know if we're gonna do it tonight. If it stops raining, we will. If not, we'll do it tomorrow. But we got marshmallows, which were hecka expensive there. We didn't feel like going to a different store, so we just like grabbed it. But we got marshmallows, got honey graham crackers, and then look, we have a pound of chocolate, a pound plus. It's bigger than my face. This is for size reference. This is how big this chocolate bar is, and it's thick. That's what we got from Trader Joe's. I'm probably gonna make some coffee. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna chill and spend time with each other.
Of course.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.